Okay, at this point you should have on your gloves, you should have on your safety mask and your the mask that covers your nose and mouth, and also another mask that covers your eyes, okay? You should have on full coverage clothing covering your arms, legs, feet, everything, okay? Because you don't want to get a splash on you. It can burn. Okay, this is what I do. I just pour the lye into the water. And I know you've seen me do this many times unless you're a newbie. You stir it and you stay away from this. You don't want to have lye fumes go up your nose. And what I usually do is I pour it back into the container here to pick up the remaining bits of lye. That's what I do. And of course, you don't have to do that, but that's what I do. You just have to be careful and respect the lye. You don't have to be afraid of it. The worst thing that will happen with this lye, if it gets on your skin, it could be very irritating. I haven't usually seen burns that I've gotten have been mild. It is possible to get a bad burn, especially if it hits your eyes. Okay? Alright, and don't inhale because it's not good for you. We're going to let this mix. I'm going to do another one for the second batch right here. So bear with me. And then we'll be putting it into the slow cooker.